If you're wondering how to delete your Asana account, you're in the right place. In this quick video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do to delete your Asana account, step by step. But before we dive in, if you're not sure whether you should delete your account or just deactivate it temporarily, stick with me till the end, because I'll also be touching on that. And I've got an exclusive offer for you to use Asana for free with bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. More on that in a minute. Now, first things first. If you're looking to delete your Asana account, you need to be logged into your account, and it's important to note that only the workspace or organization admins can delete an account. If you're just a regular member or guest, you'll need to ask an admin to handle this. The second thing you want to do is head to your profile settings. This is where the magic happens. Click on your profile icon at the top right of your screen and then choose My Profile Settings. Once you're in there, navigate to the Account tab. You're almost there, just hang tight. Next thing, you'll see a link called Delete My Account. It's right there in the Account section, just under the Profile settings. Once you click on it, a warning pop-up will appear, telling you that deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. This is your final warning, so make sure you're absolutely sure. The fourth thing to note is that Asana will ask you to confirm your email address to verify it's really you making this decision. You'll need to type in your password one last time to verify your identity before you can go ahead and delete your account. Once that's done, you just click Delete Account. And now for a key point that not everyone knows. Before you go ahead and delete your Asana account, consider deactivating it first if you might want to come back later. Deactivating your account means your data will be preserved, and you won't lose any information. Deletion is permanent. But if you're sure, then deleting it now will remove everything, and your account will be completely erased from Asana's system. Lastly, remember that Asana is used by teams, and deleting your account will impact all your projects. If you're in a workspace, the other members might not be too happy about your decision. So make sure to notify them beforehand if you're an active user or involved in any shared projects. That's it! You've now learned how to delete your Asana account. But before you go, I want to remind you that you can use Asana for free through the exclusive link in the description below. And if you sign up through that link, you'll get some special bonuses that other users don't have access to, so check it out. Thanks for watching!